Hello mga kamaster, I am Ruel and welcome to Ruel TV. I am back na naman mga kamaster bringing this another vlog. So sa video na nga ito mga kamaster ay nais kong ibahagi sa inyo mga kamaster ang daily routine kapag ikaw ay nag-apply ng pagiging isang ROTC officer mga kamaster. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin mga kamaster? Let's start! But wait mga kamaster, bago natin simulan ang video na ito mga kamaster ay nais ko munang bigyan ng shoutout ang mga ito mga kamaster. Una, si Dane Marcilio na mga kamaster na member ng Owanyans TV. At pangalawa mga kamaster ay si Paul Joshua Sinte at ito ang kanyang FB page. So please subscribe and follow them mga kamaster. So ano pinintay natin mga kamaster? Simulan na natin ang ating palabas ngayon.
Army version 1 of exercise.
Morning return without 1 count, 2 count, 5 road repetition. Tarik up, 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's perform torque walk.
Torque walk.
Back to back to this. 1.
One side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Back to back to this. 1.
One side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, ready, hold.
3 na lagi. Pagdihap mo, pagkaunting mo. Next exercise is bobber.
Bobber.
Bobber must be done in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 1. Kana ipiko, kabutan na diri ba? Ritingkod. Buwa. Buhay yung kamon. Sana, daw sa luta.
Mahimo, maabot ninyo, abot ninyo.
Dapat siminto. Nakawa. Banat, sa likod. Kita. Mas, kuman, kadens, kuman.
Mas,
1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, on!
Position of attention. Move. Next exercise is back bend cross.
Back bend cross.
Back bend cross must be done in this manner. Position, move. Ito. Na. 1, arrest, long. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. Buha. Let's perform back bend cross.
Back bend cross.
Starting position. Move. Garap lang. Mas, command, cadence, command! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lang. Position of attention, move! Let's perform army in proper exercise. First exercise is high jumper. High jumper must be done in this manner.
Starting position.
Starting
Prepare.
position.
Starting position. Move. Kana. Mas command. Cadence command. Exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2. Aba. Prepare. Hari ang unang swing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Aba.
Let's perform high jumper.
High jumper.
Starting position. Move.
Two.
Ben.
Ben. Into. 1, 2, 3.
Mat. Mas, command, cadence, command. Command, exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Andre.
Balik at 5. Pwede katawa yung mga kabalik.
Balik at 5.
At 5.
Katawa yung kabalik.
Stop lapping. Huwag mo kipanson. Mas, command, cadence, command.
Command, exercise.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Binder. Squat binder must be done in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 1. Kuha.
Sir, yes sir.
Okay. Go now. 1, 2, 3, 1. Kuha.
Yes sir.
Starting position is the position of attention. Mas, command, cadence, command. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, hold.
Balik at 3. I-counter ninyo. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, balik. At 3.
Mas, command, cadence, command.
1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, hold.
Position of attention. Move. 4 count push up.
4 count push up.
4 count push up must be done in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. Wa. Sir. Starting position. Move. 2.
Okay, mas command, guys, command.
Mon, exercise.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, hold.
Position of attention. Move.
Go. Pagpagpag.
One ready, command.
4, 5,
6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 The last number, sir. Sir, our T3 cadets ready for dismissal, sir. What is it, man? Because no. On, no. Swiss. Ready, up. Ready, down.